Hey guys, Taco Cat here. Okay, so we're gonna be making a weird video. This is my friend Esbago.
Hey y'all.
And we're gonna be making a video of my dogs. So
And I'm gonna be using my completely awesome stick. This is the most important stick you'll ever find on earth. It's very long. This is my little staff.
yes. But anyway, so what? Those little jerks. Okay, so
Are the evils. Or yeah.
okay. Well, anyway, we're just gonna be making a dumb video. So see you in the video. Here and now, we are
here with you. Barking dogs. Barking at the other dogs.
yes. The other two dogs over the fence are evil and deceiving. These two dogs are the dogs that we are going to be recording. So if you want to watch something amazing and awesome, then this show is for you. The dog, so majestic, so demeaning.
Also known as the devil dog.
The devil dog is so evil and so horrible.
Also, and Wreck-It Ralph.
We are lucky to capture him in film.
He's running to us!
No.
Never mind. But just to warn you, these dogs.
Not the
Run away!
Oh, there he is! There he is! Camouflage. He's running through the underbrush. He's running through the underbrush. He's gotten my ghost! He's killed her! What should we do? I know! Here she is. We don't know if she's dead yet. We don't think so. But her wounds are covered. We're not going to show them to you. This is what the devil dog can do. The co-host lived.
Golden Retriever!
Now we are trying to find the golden retriever. He's there! Run away! He's just stalking towards us with his blood on his eyes. Oh no! He's coming towards us! No, the devil dog! Run! This is our hostess, Emma. Unfortunately, the two dogs, the devil dog and the bloodhound, got her. She will probably never survive to see another day of Minecraft or Star Wars again.